How to make barley sugar. Barley sugar is a simple and traditional sweet treat made from barley water and sugar. Here's a basic recipe for making barley sugar at home. This is a very traditional sweet often relied upon for its glucose restorative powers when performing outdoor activities or during emergency situations. Step 1. Assemble the ingredients and items needed before starting. Have everything in place. Prepare the baking pan by covering in parchment paper or oil a marble slab. Step 2. Cook the hulled barley in the water gently for 5 hours. Keep the heat low and be aware that it's easy to burn barley, so keep a regular check on the water level. Step 3. Strain the liquid. It will look like white jelly. Then return it to the pan. Step 4. Warm the sugar. Then add it to the pan and stir until it is dissolved, over a gentle heat. Step 5. Boil the mixture until the temperature reaches 156 degrees Celsius per 310 degrees Fahrenheit, the hard crack stage. Step 6. Pour the candy syrup over the lined tray or oiled slab. Step 7. Once the barley sugar has cooled enough to touch, immediately cut it into long strips using lightly oiled scissors. Twist as you cut, to form the traditional twisted barley shape. Step 8. Leave the strips to harden. Once hardened, they can be wrapped individually in cellophane or place on wax paper inside an airtight tin. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.